Check it out, guys. I got my first four-wheel drive truck, 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. Now, the truck I had before was a 2006 Tacoma pre-runner, and the second you took that thing off-road, it would get stuck. So now, I don't have any worries about that situation. In this video, I'm not going to go over every option and feature of the truck because there's plenty of other videos out there that have that. What I'm going to do, I just want to document the modifications I wanted to do with the truck and the adventures we go on. The first thing I want to do, which you can probably read my mind, is going to change out the grill. This Tacoma came out with the blackout package. Now, what I don't understand is why they just decided to black out the symbol on the grill and not the entire grill. Doesn't make sense to me. I think it would have looked better with the entire grill blacked out, but that's probably going to be the first thing I decide to change. Now, I really like the TRD Pro grill, which I'm looking into getting, unless I find something else similar or that just, I happen to like better. One thing I like about the TRD grill is that it spells out the word Toyota and just doesn't have the Toyota symbol. This truck came with the running boards, which I'm not really into. I don't really like them too much, but I'll see what I end up doing, if I get rid of them, keep them, or replace them with something else. Now, one feature that I think only my truck has, according to the salesperson, is that this button right here, this off door on button, what that does is, according to the salesperson at Toyota, whenever you have a load in the back of the truck and it has the front end sitting high and the lights are pointing up into the sky, it'll automatically adjust the lights so they're level. My truck is the only one that has that, but I knew better. I knew that wasn't the case. I knew this was for the lights in the back of the truck. If you have any tips of some places that I can go to, just so I can get my feet wet, just to get started, I don't want to jump into it. There is a mud pit, but I'm not really looking into that. I want to do some trails, but I want to go to a trail, maybe an off-road park that has some trails for intermediate and experience. I'm not going to do the experience just yet. Maybe later, once I get it lifted, tires. For now, I'm just trying to find some intermediate trails so I can take the truck off-road and get a little feel of its off-road capabilities. But what I'll probably end up doing, as soon as there's a nice weekend that comes around, gonna take the truck to the beach and see how it handles on the sand.